Oh, I'm just gonna challenge you. I'm just gonna say to Sangkay Janjan and Danmar Dayaw or Kuya Danmar. You know, both of you. I say to Tera Francisco, Tera Francisco, ilaglag mo na yan si Danmar. Si Kuya Danmar Dayaw. Because that person, that man, he's trying to bully Kuya Rodelio Daguman to make a fake account to manipulate Cedric John Mariano. Let me ask you something. Cedric John Mariano, he also got scammed by Bongbong Marcos. You know that. Na-scam na po si Cedric dahil kay Bongbong Marcos. Nabudol din siya, like I said, me, unlike everyone, we are being scammed by Bongbong Marcos. The Israelis and the Filipinos, they were got scammed by Benjamin Netanyahu and Bongbong Marcos. The Filipinos have got scammed by Bongbong Marcos. They call him Bangag. And the Israelis, they call Benjamin Netanyahu warmonger after the killing of the Iranian Supreme Leader Ali Khamenei. Everyone hates Marcos. Everyone hates Netanyahu. Because my dad says to me, mataas ang presyo ng langis dahil kay Bangag. You know that. You know that Bangag means it's Bongbong Marcos. You know that. I say again, Kuya Danmar Dayaw, Kuya Kopyo, and Sangkay Janjan, and Romeo TV Vlog. If all of you challenge Paulo Landayan, Teacher May Tiburcio, Jens Manaid, and even my other friends who were anti-Marcos and they were pro Duterte. And they said that they hate Marcos. If people there they hate Marcos, they really hate Marcos. Just like I said, in the people of some area they hate Marcos. I know. I said before, I changed myself that I don't like Marcos anymore because I got scammed. Nabudol na ako. Like I said, I told to Mami Ellen Olea, I got scammed by Bongbong Marcos. I got scammed by Ferdinand Marcos Sr. Now I just side with the Ninoy and Cory Aquino. I side with the Rodrigo Duterte and Sara Duterte. Because I know I got scammed by the Marcos family. Because folks, last year I said it in my statement that the Marcos family are the greatest robbery of the government. I'm just only telling you, Kuya Danmar Dayaw and Sangkay Janjan, do not bully Kuya Rodelio Daguman. He's not related to politics. He's really a cerebral palsy. Me, I was told by Teacher May, I always respect cerebral palsy. Teacher May says to me, you need to respect the cerebral palsy. People there, they're cerebral palsy. And I'm saying to Danmar, when you bully Kuya Rodelio Daguman, that is a cyber libel. Oh, that is slandering. I'm not gonna say to Sangkay Janjan, even Kuya Danmar Dayaw, that is a cyber libel. Oh, that is a cyber libel because Rodelio, Kuya Rodelio Daguman is busy in working in the Muntinlupa City Hall. He's busy. Over the few days, he's really busy. Over a weeks, I called in the time over the last year. I told to the telephone of Manila. I mean not Manila. I mean Muntinlupa City Hall over the 2 years ago. I called the Muntinlupa City Hall in the telephone, and I said to the telephone, Sir Rodelio Daguman is really busy. Oh, he is not related to politics. That's why I say to both of you, do not bully Kuya Rodelio Daguman. He doesn't have mother. He doesn't have a pet dog. He doesn't have anything that he among them. He doesn't have mother. He doesn't have a pet dog. He has only his own brother. If I were you, Danmar, Kuya Danmar Dayaw, and Sangkay Janjan, do not bully Kuya Rodelio Daguman. He's cerebral palsy. I respect all cerebral palsy like Lawrence Villawan, Sir Paulo Cua. Oh, there are lots of cerebral palsy. Joan Garcia is also cerebral palsy. Even John Mendoza, because I know John Mendoza is a cerebral palsy. He has his own nanny, Kuya Julio. Oh, he is a cerebral palsy. Why did you politicalize? Why do both of you politicalize the cerebral palsy? Oh, Paula Nunez is a cerebral palsy also. It's really nonsense. It's really cyberbullying. Oh. I've been told by Ate Marisol. Oh, I told to Ate Marisol Siaco, I am no longer to be a Marcos loyalist. I got scammed by Bongbong Marcos. Oh. Because I know Bongbong Marcos is bangag. Ate Marisol regret it. Oh. And she said to me, from now on, you do not vote Marcos again in 2028. Oh. It's over. You can able to vote the Dutertes. Oh. Because I know you're a voter register. That's simple. For Kuya Danmar Dayaw and Sangkay Janjan, enough about using a fake account of Kuya Rodelio Daguman. Clarence Beredo says to me, oh, Clarence, message Danmar. Oh, I told to Clarence, pagsabihan mo to si Danmar, magpakabait. I said to him, wag na siya puro away. Oh, I said to Kuya Danmar, because You know, if Danmar's still fighting at Kuya Rodelio Daguman, if he fought against if he fight against Kuya Rodelio Daguman, if they fight against each other, he would might get in trouble. Oh, you know, I said before, that was the past, that the incident about Kuya Rodelio Daguman, that he spreaded the scandal of Jim Paredes. That was last 2020. That means it's 5 years ago. It's 5 years ago that he made lots of consequences. Oh, matagal na yon. Like I said, it's really 2020. You know, Kuya Rodelio Daguman, he already apologized for all his mistake. Like me, when Kuya Rodelio Daguman curses me a bad words in PI, and he curses me a nasty word, even foul languages, and then I said, oh, I forgive Kuya Rodelio Daguman. I forgive Kuya Rodelio because I made this video, because I know he really forgives me. He really thinks that he forgives me. Oh, that I think he really forgives me also, but I said he apologized for his mistake, and I think I really forgive him. Oh, because I do not want to fight with Kuya Rodelio Daguman. He apologized to me sincerely, and now I forgive the person that he made the mistake. Oh, pinatawad ko na yan si Kuya Rodelio Daguman. You know that. If I were you, Danmar, when you argue with Cedric in the first place, with Cedric Mariano, even you, Sangkay Janjan, both of you, enough about cyberbullying of Kuya Rodelio Daguman. Even those Marcos loyalists who were fake Filipinos, enough about cyberbullying about Kuya Rodelio Daguman. Like me, I know Kuya Rodelio Daguman. I've been reconciled with Kuya Rodelio Daguman. Oh, thanks to Kapitana Salonga. Oh, because I know I praised Kapitana Salonga when she was part of Cap Jimboy Kasupang, I mentioned. Kapitana Salonga said to me, or Marilyn Salonga, or Kapitana, I told her when I saw her last 2 years ago, I told to Kapitana, o Kapitana Salonga, I reconcile with Kuya Rodelio Daguman, because that person that Kuya Danmar Dayaw is trying to bully Kuya Rodelio. Oh, I need to tell him to stop. Oh, it's better. Just stop fighting. Because this is hard to say to those idiot Marcos loyalists. Even Danmar Dayaw, and also Sangkay Janjan. They have a misunderstanding over with their family members, even their parents, even their relatives. They have misunderstanding. So, for all of you, just stop bullying Rodelio. That's all. Just leave him alone.